Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Jun. For today's video, I will show how to withdraw here in Crypto Blessing. So first, you must log into your dashboard here in Token Pocket. Just copy this link, then log into your Token Pocket browser. So if you are in the dashboard here, just click this transact, then click this withdrawal. After that, if you have available balance here in ROI income, you must click max, then click withdraw. The minimum withdrawal here is $5. And if you have required network here is 41.7. So we withdraw this, just click this max and then click withdraw. So every time you withdraw, they have deduction which is 5% tax deduction here in Crypto Blessing. So I will receive $39.61. Then click confirm and password of your token pocket. After seconds, just go back to your asset, click this X and then click asset to check if we receive already here. Just refresh. So we receive the withdrawal here within seconds from Crypto Blessing. So I earned today $39.61 or 2,285 peso. So if you want to earn here in Crypto Blessing, you can join here. Just create account here and you can also contact me at Coach Jun to Telegram at Coach Jun02 in Messenger. You can also join here at GC, D1 platform, and Crypto Blessing Official so that you are updated here about the Crypto Blessing, about all the tutorial here, how to withdraw, how to deposit, and how to create account. So you can start here. Just follow my video tutorial here from step 1, step 2, then step 3. I have a complete tutorial here. Just watch my video tutorial. So that's all for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.